der komt er weg. Der kent mich hier niet. Der is zo'n sting. Die beteren mich niet. Der gewinnt niet. Komt er weg, idioten! Ik kan er! Ik kan er!
George, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you?
Yeah, what's going on there?
Easy. Yes.
First goddamn week of winter.
Oh, come on. 4 stitches, barely grazed you.
What were they doing flying that low? Shooting at a dog. At us.
Stir crazy. Cabin fever, who knows?
U.S. number 31, calling McMurdo. Come in, over. U.S. number 31, calling McMurdo. Urgent. Come in, over. Great.
Come on.
Nobody.
Nobody. Get a hold of somebody. Get a hold of anybody. We gotta report this mess.
Look, I haven't been able to reach shit in 2 weeks. I doubt if anybody's talked to anybody on this entire continent, and you want me to reach somebody.
Maybe we had war with Norway.
I was wondering when El Capitan was going to get a chance to use his pop gun.
How long have they been stationed there?
It says here only 8 weeks.
Well, that's not long enough for guys to go bunkers.
Bullshit, Warner. 5 minutes is enough to put a man over down here.
Damn straight.
I mean, look at Plum. He's been the way he is since the first day.
How many in their party?
We started with 10. There'd be 8 others left.
How do we know? Guys as crazy as that could have done a lot of damage to their own before they got to us.
Nothing we can do about that.
Oh, yes, there is. I want to go up.
In this weather?
Bennings?
Winds are going to let up a tad next couple of hours.
A tad?
Can't condone it much myself, but it is a short haul. An hour there, an hour back.
Shit, Doc, I'll give you the lift. No problem.
Forget it, Palmer.
Hey, thanks for thinking about it, though. Loaded with kerosene. I count 15 cans.
McCready! Mac, get your gear on! Mac, it may not clear up for a week.
Yeah.
And we're the closest ones to them.
It's all right by me, Doc. I'm just letting you know we're taking a chance.
Quit the griping, McCready.
Those clouds keep moving over the sun, we're going to get a whiteout. We get caught in that, you can scratch 1 doctor and 1 pilot.
This is real thin and clear as soon as you get up.
It's up to you, Mac. If you don't want to fly, we don't fly.
You really want to save those crazy Swedes, huh?
Norwegians.
Which way, Doc?
Southwest. I'm going to have to read the map because I'm going to be busy.
Mac's really taking it up, huh?
He knows what he's doing.
Will you turn that crap down? I'm trying to get some sleep. I was shot today.
We wanna, we'll do.
Writings on the wall.